Okay, I just create a searchable dropdown with the flat search bar, and I just post it to my GitHub, and let me just show you. And you can just download it and tweak the code and see if it fits your need. I'll grab the code first. This is in my Python beginner, and the file name is flat search bar underscore base. It's this one. Okay, I just wrote my original code here, and actually my original code doesn't have the class, and I drop it to Copilot, this one, and I just drop my original code to Copilot and ask him to turn it into a class with the data class object, and it'll return the code like this. And actually, I dropped some of its method. Just download this one. You just hit raw and then right click, save the page as just select all files and rename it as .py. Okay. Then if you go to your download folder, just press F2, just rename it main.py, and then Control X, copy that to my virtual environment. If you don't know how to create your virtual environment, feel free to watch the video on the top right corner. Actually, my virtual environment is this one, flat sub. And just Control V. Oh, you know what? Actually, let me just delete the original main.py, and F2, just name it main, because it is a Python file. Okay, let me just run the app. Actually, it's already there. That's a main.py. And Alt-T, you have to activate it, and flat run. Here you see two drop down. One is this one, the language one, and the other one is this, whatever, ABC, something like that. And you see if I type DE, then it only shows the list that contains the search result. Okay, if I remove all the result, it will show me the whole list. The reason I turn the search bar into a class search dropdown is that I don't need to redo the search bar again and again. I just want to make my code shorter. See this one? Let's say remove that, and if I want to create one more searchable dropdown, object2, and then it's equal to the class searchable dropdown, and I'm going to take in another list, right? Let's say this one, another list, and just give it one more, whatever, something like that. For the object2, it's going to take in this another list, and since we have the new object2, add it under the page. Remember the layout, object2, and then when I need to display this one, I need to run search bar, this one. Init is false. That means you have to initiate it when you want to run this searchable dropdown. Okay, so that's the search down object, right? Search bar. Let me save it, reload that. And my second list is this one, object1, ABC, and then whatever ABC. So when I type ABC, then I have ABC and ABCDEF, ABC, whatever. So it's highly recommended that you create a class for the reusable items like this searchable dropdown. Okay, I've put down the GitHub link for this Python script, so feel free to play around with that. Okay, hope it helps. Ciao.